Hi, I'm Lexi. Do you know who's a party pooper? Let's learn from 10 party idioms and expressions. Number 1. Party pooper. It means someone who ruins the fun for others. Example, don't be a party pooper, come dance with us. Number 2. Buzzkill. It means a person or thing that suddenly stops the excitement. Example, his serious speech was a total buzzkill at the party. Number 3. Wet blanket. It means someone who dampens enthusiasm or excitement. Example, she's such a wet blanket, she complained the whole time. Number 4. Kill the vibe. It means to spoil the good atmosphere. Example, talking about work really killed the vibe. Number 5. Downer. It means someone who brings negative energy to a situation. Example, stop being a downer and enjoy the moment. Number 6. Rain on someone's parade. It means to spoil someone's plans or happiness. Example, I hate to rain on your parade, but the event is canceled. Number 7. Take the fun out of it. It means to make something less enjoyable. Example, overthinking everything takes the fun out of it. Number 8. Spoilsport. It means someone who ruins a game or activity by not cooperating. Example, don't be a spoilsport, just play along. Number 9. Drag everyone down. It means to lower the group's mood or energy. Example, his constant complaints dragged everyone down. Number 10. Ruin the mood. It means to spoil a pleasant or fun atmosphere. Example, that argument totally ruined the mood. And that's a wrap. Make sure to practice these with your friends, but try not to be a party pooper while you're at it. That's the end of today's lesson. Time to party!